The large language models like GPT, Anthropic Cloud are incredibly powerful, but they have a well-known problem. They cannot know everything about your specific private data. And if they don't know something, they often make things up. And this is called hallucination. The solution that has taken the AI world by storm is RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. It gives the AI an open book to consult before answering. But what if the book is just a messy pile of notes? Now we are diving deep into GraphRag, a next level approach that doesn't just give AI a book, it gives a structured brain. Let's quickly recap how standard RAG works. Imagine you have a library of internal company documents. When you ask a question like, what is Project Nebula's budget? The RAG system does three things. One, retrieve. It searches your entire library for any text snippets or chunks that mention Project Nebula and budget. Next is augment. It takes your original question and pastes these retrieved text chunks into the prompt. Third step is generate. It sends this big context filled prompt to the LLM, which then generates an answer based only on the information provided. This is great for finding direct facts, but it fails with complex questions. For example, if you ask, how does our marketing strategy for Project Nebula affect our partnership with Acme Corp? Standard RAG might find one document about marketing plan and another about Acme partnership, but it has no idea how they are related. The context is just a random bag of paragraphs. This is where GraphRag changes the game. The graph is a knowledge graph. Think of it as a network of your data's most important entities and how they are connected. Here's the crucial behind the scenes part. Before you even ask your first question, GraphRag reads through all of your documents and builds this knowledge graph. For example, as it reads, it identifies key entities like people, Susan, David, projects, Project Nebula, partners, Acme Corp, teams, marketing team. Then it maps the relationships between them. Susan manages the marketing team. The marketing team created the strategy for Project Nebula. Project Nebula is part of a partnership with Acme Corp and so on. This structured, interconnected web of information is the brain we'll use for our queries. Now let's ask our complex question again. How does our marketing strategy for Project Nebula affect our partnership with Acme Corp? GraphRag handles this completely differently. Step one, entity recognition. The system first identifies the key entities in your query. Marketing strategy, Project Nebula, and Acme Corp. Step two is graph traversal. This is the magic step. Instead of a blind keyword search, the system explores the knowledge graph, looking for paths that connect these entities. It finds the chain. Marketing strategy is for Project Nebula. Project Nebula is part of the partnership with Acme Corp and like. Step three is creating a contextual neighborhood. The system doesn't just grab random text chunks, it intelligently selects the nodes and relationships along this discovered path, creating a highly relevant, interconnected story for the LLM. The context might include the nodes for the marketing team, the project lead, and the partnership start date, all related information it discovered in the graph. Step four is augment and generate. This rich, structured context, this story is then passed to the LLM. The LLM now understands the how and why behind the connections. It can generate a sophisticated, insightful answer explaining the relationship between the marketing plan and partnership because it has the map. Why is it so much better? First, it dramatically reduces hallucination. The context given to the LLM is not a jumble of text but a factual map, keeping the AI grounded in the reality. Secondly, it uncovers the hidden insights. It can answer questions about complex multi-step relationships that no single document ever explicitly states. It connects the dots for you. And finally, for complex queries, it can be more efficient. Instead of searching millions of text chunks, it performs a targeted traversal of a well-structured graph. In simple words, standard RAG gives an LLM notes. GraphRAG gives you the mind map. GraphRAG is more than just a search trick. It's fundamental shift how we provide context to AI, moving from disconnected facts to deep relational understanding. It's how we get from simple Q&A to true automated insight discovery. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please hit the like button and subscribe for more explanations on the future of AI. Thanks for watching.